Okay, so I've got this old CD case here, and I'm going to transform it into like a little tabletop storage box. I'm going to remove these flaps here and sand it down. Okay, so we have the sleeves out, and now I'm just going to take a small screwdriver or something to scrape off this adhesive that's on the inside of the box. Okay, so I have cut out some pieces of fabric that I have had for a while from Walmart, and I used it as a liner in this box, and I'm also going to use these strips to line the edges just so it has a clean edge. And I will show you how I also split the ends so that when it did go into the corners, it would lay flush like that. Okay, with the side linings, I went ahead just to give it a more polished look. I took the flaps and I hot glued the ends down just so we can have a flat look when we go to place it in our box as such. And I'll show it to you. This one. So we have a flat piece here. Okay, for this part, we're going to take these ends and glue them in just like that so that we have a covered lining. As such, go ahead and glue that down. Make sure you get on the edges. And we got our lining. Okay, so now I have traced out the box after we've gotten our lining done. I've traced out the box on this contact paper that I got from Walmart, and I'm going to use this to cover the outside. Now with the tracing of the box, I am going to allow about an inch out from the tracing just so that I have something to fold over the edges. Okay, so here we got our contact paper applied. We got our contact paper applied. And I cut the corner here just so we can get a nice fold there. And we're going to fix the edges once we've gotten all of this taken care of. Again, we're going to cut here. Fold that end in and bring this out. Well, hold on. It's stuck to this bottom piece. And then we're going to take that in and fold it up. Well, with this contact paper, it's pretty easy to get on. It doesn't really have any bubbling issues where you have to keep trying to rub it out. Okay, excuse my mess. So as you can see, I added a border trim to the box and it came out well. Here's our box. I'm going to continue the trim. And as you can see right here, we have our beautiful box. It started out as a normal old CD case that I no longer was using, and now it is a storage jewelry box for me. As you can see on the inside, I used a couple pieces of cardboard and I wrapped them in the lining, and here we have the end result.